Incoming device is a Samsung J727 gray in color. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. Taking a look at the bottom of the device, it does look like the headphone jack is round.
I have a Bluetooth one.
The charging port does look a little bit loose, but it is still taking an incoming charge current of 1.2 amperes. Is at 79%. And not able to tell which service it is.
Boost Mobile.
It's Boost Mobile. It's the model number right here. Go ahead and do a quick test for 611. Test to make sure the proximity sensor is working. Call won't go through. Check the cameras. Rear camera's working. Front camera is a little bit hazy, possibly from the crack that's spanning on top of it, also indicated by the starburst effect by the lights that are there. We'll go ahead and take a look at the parts cost to see how much we pay.